Hello, Hardest here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with the Expedia app on the iOS. So first thing what you want to do is go up to the App Store, find your app, get my app, and here you need to make sure that you have the newest version of the app updated. If the update is available on your phone, the update should pop up right there. Or you have like me, so that means that you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways. So first way is go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go here, find your app, get my app, and I prefer to set everything on every settings on Fabric. Like here, Siri, right there, search right there, live activities on, background app refresh on, language doesn't matter, and after this the issues should be fixed. But if not, the last way is just reinstall the app like this. Remove, go back to the App Store and just reinstall. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.